This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting immediate facts. Open Event Viewer and copy the event ID 1000 details, application name, faulting module, exception code. Once done, verify Windows and the app are updated and log any recent installs or patches because regressions often follow changes. Enable user mode crash dumps or reproduce the crash to generate a DMP file and make sure you have administrative rights to access those files. This establishes evidence for deeper analysis and prevents guessing. Now perform a focused analysis. Open the dump in WinDBG or Visual Studio and run. Analyze V to find the top-level exception and call stack. Once you have the stack, load symbols from Microsoft and your app symbol server to resolve function names and identify the exact module and instruction that failed. Correlate the PID with running services and third-party DLLs loaded into the process, because mixed or mismatched versions usually cause event 1000 crashes. Make incremental. Finally, implement the corrective action closest to your root cause. Replace the faulty module with a matching version, install the vendor patch, or roll back the recent change that triggered the crash. Once applied, reproduce the workload and monitor Event Viewer to confirm event ID 1000 no longer appears. If the issue persists, capture a second dump and a live trace with proc mon and xperf, run sfc/dism to rule out system corruption, and escalate with the collected evidence for vendor support. That's your key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.